TikTok is a massively underutilized platform that provides countless opportunities for both paid and organic traffic. Now, with that said, the problem is actually finding products that will work on TikTok, since the majority of products either die right away or only last about a week and then tend to die off after that. So with that in mind, today I want to show you 5 products to go sell on TikTok right now that you could go out and potentially test on your dropshipping store. Now, beyond just showing you the products, I'm also going to help you out a step farther and actually leave a document down in the description of this video that has several pieces of information, including the AliExpress link, my recommended selling price, and since there are 2 major ways of marketing products on TikTok, I'm also going to include in this document the method of testing that I would actually recommend you use for each individual product. Now, before we get into these products, it's very important to remember that TikTok products require a very specific set of criteria. Using the specific criteria I'm going to go over in this video, I've been able to launch 3 successful 6-figure products using TikTok. Now, the way that I launched these products on TikTok was using the 2 methods that I just mentioned, and I go over these 2 separate methods in this video right here and this video right here. So after you watch this video and see the products that I recommend, definitely go out and check out these 2 videos so you can figure out how to market them properly. Now, this product criteria is very simple, but it must be followed every single time to make sure that your chances of success is much higher when finding TikTok products. And the criteria is the product must be a problem-solving product or a viral product. The next thing is the product needs to be able to create content without the need for additional actors or specific types of people. The next criteria is the content for the product must be entertaining and easy to make to keep the viewers engaged. And the final criteria, which can sway a little bit, is the sales price. So the amount you're selling your product for should be under $80. So product number 5 is this ice roller right here. I'm going to play the video so you can see what I'm talking about.
We're trying out the Skinny Confidential's ice roller. The cold tightens the face, helping with swelling and pore sizes. When you take it out of the freezer, roll it on your wrist for a little bit to make sure it's not too cold. I also love the thumbprint holder that lets you know exactly where to hold. I really love using this on my neck.
So as you can see, this problem solves a problem. It's easy to create content, so you can do user-generated content. If you don't happen to be a girl, what's great about this product is what it showed at the beginning, which is you can actually use it on more parts of your body than just your face. So again, you don't need special actors. It's a great product that solves a great problem, and it also has a wide range of applications, so that's why it made it on the list. Now, if we go over here and we look at the actual product price, you can see you can get this for relatively cheap. This one is almost identical, and this product is something that definitely could be viral. It would appease to a lot of different people, and it would be really easy to create content, potentially an entire niche store around this, and introduce an entire product line around this, which makes this just an awesome product to test on TikTok. Now, the next product is product number 4, which is this butterfly comb. So we'll check this out and you'll see what I'm talking about.
Comb your hair. Bro, of course you can comb your hair with it. That's the whole point, right? Now you have the opportunity to play around, have some fun, and comb your hair all at the same time.
So as you can see, this product is really cool. It can come in several different colors. It definitely is a viral product because it doesn't really have a massive application for problem solving. It's something that's just generally cool. So creating viral content for a product like this would be very, very easy. A lot of people would share it. A lot of people would talk about it because they think it's just generally a really, really cool product, and people would want to buy it for that reason alone. Now, what's really great about this too is, like I mentioned, you don't need special actors. You can go ahead and you can create this content just with your pretty hand in there, and you are all good to go. Now, the next thing about this that's really awesome is, again, the price point is relatively cheap, so you can easily get the sales price under that $80 mark, and there's a lot of different options, which is great when it comes to viral products like this, because a lot of people might not want this color, but some people might just want a simple black. So it really gives you a lot of different options as to how things actually would look. This one's obviously not a comb, but you get the general idea. So that's why this product made it on the list, is because of its viral effect and also how cool it is, so people would actually be talking about it. So product number 3, the Epic Staff. So check this one out and let me know what you think about this one in particular in the comments.
How to do the impossible. Make sure to watch till the end because these results will absolutely shock you. So first off, we're gonna grab one of our open staffs. Which one should we get, boys? I got the silver one.
So see that? This guy loves his staffs, clearly. So just in general, if you bring a fun energy to products like this, again, they don't solve a problem. So whenever you're working with a product that doesn't solve a problem, you really need to make it entertaining. And that's exactly what this guy does. He brings a great energy to the ads.
I am very uncomfortable.
He makes sure that the product is really showing how it actually functions, which is awesome. It's super cool. As you can see, it gets a lot of different engagement. And just in general, this is a product, again, that a lot of people would talk about because it's just so weird. It's so quirky. People would spontaneously buy it, especially coming into Christmas. This would be a really, really cool product to go out and test out. Now, if we come over here, another great thing about this is how cheap they are. So this product's incredibly cheap, meaning you can get a lot of spontaneous buys. It generally does look like something that would actually be worth a reasonable amount of money, so you can mark it up quite a bit. And since it is so cheap, a lot of people would buy more than one of these, which you know how much I love my multi-order products. So this one would definitely be a great one to test, and another one that would be super easy to create very, very viral content with. Product number 2, the hand control car. So check this one out. This one's really, really cool. And I think this one's awesome, especially for the time of the season that we're in. I think this would make a great product to go out and test. So just in general, honestly, hats off to the person that created this and how they got the little remote controlled car actually moving to the beat of the music. I think that was really awesome. And this product is so cool. It definitely has a lot of different opportunities for creative design when it comes to creating these different TikToks. I think there's so much potential with this product on how many different pieces of content you can actually create. And again, you don't need to be anything special. All you need to do is be a pretty hand in the video and you are all good to go with your content creation. Now with this product in mind, like I said, the time of year is awesome because Christmas presents, this is definitely a great Christmas present. Here I found this one. I didn't do a lot of searching, but I'm sure you could find it for a lower price point. But just in general, this product's gonna have a very high perceived value, so it definitely could be marked up for quite a bit. You just need to find a lower product price point so you can actually source it for a lower price and increase those profit margins. So it's definitely another awesome product that you can go out there and test on TikTok.
I've got a challenge for you. Since you've made it this far, why not like this video and hit subscribe in the next 5 seconds, because I upload 4 new e-commerce videos every week. And if you're curious about what my life looks like in real life, go to my Instagram at Jonathan Molendijk and tap that follow button to find out.
All right, now on to product number 1, the sports car wheel watch. This is a really, really cool one. It's very unique. And the thing that I like about this one is there's an entire brand built around this. So check out the video ad and let me know what you think. So really cool. They created an entire brand, an entire product line around this style of watch. And I love how in the ad, they actually added the sound of the car in here. I love that. Little things like that. Like, you guys got to get creative with your video visuals and also the sounds in the background. Get entertaining. When it comes to TikTok, it's all about entertainment. So if you can entertain the viewers with your content, it's going to generate a ridiculous amount of return organically from your videos being shared and also from TikTok promoting it more on the platform due to the amount of engagement that it gets. Now, if we come into here and we look at the product prices, you may be looking at this thinking, oh wow, that's actually quite high. But the thing about it is, watches are one of those things, just like with shoes, where people don't actually fully understand what the price point is, because watches and shoes have so many varying price points. So when it comes to a watch, you can present it as a premium product, or you can even present it as a mid-par product, and you can charge $89, $100, $120 for these watches and generate incredibly high returns. And as you can see, I only found one that has a specific style, panel, which is actually the disc brake. But when it comes down to it, you can find different styles of tire watches, or whatever the heck these would be called, rim watches, and you can incorporate them into your actual brand catalog and branch out and expand your brand. Now with all these products, make sure you check out the document in the description of this video because it outlines everything that you need to know about each individual product. Everyone's showing how to run dropshipping ads, but no one's showing how to create a successful business. If you want to learn how to start dropshipping with no money and start getting organic sales right away, this is the video for you.